Good morning, guys. The idea today is explore how to write a linear equation as the gradient intercept form. I'm going to write that gradient intercept form or slope intercept form. Okay. Just to recognize, sometimes we will have linear equations written in different way. Therefore, we need to organize the expression in order to graph or understand a linear system. In this case, we're going to remember the what is the linear equation. The slope intercept 4 is equal to y equal mx plus b, where m is the slope or intercept and b is the y-intercept. Okay, guys. In different videos you can share linear equation revision in which we can explore more about this topic, but today we are going to be focused on how to transform any linear equation in this form. Okay, in the form described before. Okay, first we need to recognize that the linear equation, for example, is a system that has a gradient and y-intercept. I'm going to include an example. I'm going to include an example. For example, we will have this expression. For example, 2x plus 5 equal y. Remember, equal y. Let me write this better just to make you understand how it works. Y equal 2x plus 5. Okay, first we're gonna graph this in Desmos. That is 2x plus 5. Okay, as you see, we have a linear equation in which the y-intercept is 0.5. Remember, the y-intercept is when the x value is equal to 0. Okay, by replacing in the formula or locating in the graph. And the slope, that is the number 2, and the slope is, for example, either selecting in the graph, or for example you can select two points and apply this formula to find y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Okay, it is a brief tradition about how we make up this formula. Now, as we know, we need to get, when we have this formula, this is the slope intercept form, but sometimes we will find that we will have the formula in different organization. For example, 2y plus 4x equal 5. In this sense, we will have to rewrite the equation, converting the expression in this way: y equal mx plus b. Okay, that means we need to leave alone the variable for y and isolate the rest of the variables. Now I'm going to explain how to do it. How to do this? For example, for the current example, we have 2y. I'm going to write it 2y plus 4x equal 5. Now, by using a step-by-step process in linear systems, we will have this. First, we need to pass, that is adding, to the other side to subtract. Remember, it is the first step, like taking the subtracting or adding a variable and passing to the other side. That means we will have 2y equal 5 minus 4x because was plus. Then finally we will find that we will have this y multiplying. That means this y is multiplying the number 2. Therefore, our relation will be that the 2 needs to pass to the other side to divide. Okay, therefore the y is going to be equal to 5 minus 4x divided by 2. Okay, We have in the expression the number 2 is dividing both terms, the number 5 and minus 4x. Therefore, we are going to split out this. There, at the end, we will have y equal 5 over 2 minus 4x over 2. If you see, we are using the same denominator to separate the different terms above. Finally, we are gonna organize this expression by moving the minus 4x divided by 2 at first. That means y equal minus 4x divided by 2 plus 5 2. Okay, remember when you don't have a symbol, it is plus. Okay, and then if you see this expression is similar to this expression. Okay, and the idea of doing this is getting the expression and then graph the formula. Okay, graph the formula. Getting the graph by using, to get the graph, for example, we will have, in this case we can simplify the fractions. Minus 4 divided by 2 is equal minus 2x, and plus 5 divided by 2, either the fraction or the decimal, you can use both. Okay, then we can graph this by using Desmos, minus 2x, okay, plus 5 divided to create the fraction 2. Okay, and then you will have our expressions, okay, with the current point, that is the y-intercept, that is 2.5 or 5 divided by 2. Okay, we will have our x-intercept, but in this video we only need to refer on how to organize the expression is slope-intercept for it. I hope this video has been useful for you. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Thank you very much.